Christmas is coming very soon. I should make a letter for Santa Claus. Let's pick up pencil and paper. Okay, I'm done. Let's put it in an envelope. Let me put it right here. Now let me wait until Santa Claus grabs it. My Christmas presents! Oh, and hey, hello Santa. How are you? I'm fine. Let's open these presents up. Ooh. Oh wait, I must make videos about unboxing Christmas presents. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice Christmas.